Welcome to the farm. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see how one of the most popular vegetables in the world, the humble carrot, is harvested on a large scale. And no, it's not just pulling them out by hand anymore. Meet the ASA-Lift, a specialized carrot harvesting machine designed to pick thousands of carrots quickly, cleanly, and with minimal waste. Let's take a closer look. Before the machine even enters the field, a lot of work goes into growing the perfect carrot. Carrots take about 70 to 80 days to mature depending on the variety. Farmers monitor the soil, moisture, and nutrients carefully to ensure straight, uniform roots. When harvest time comes, the tops are still attached, which actually helps the machine pull the carrots from the ground. Now, with conditions just right and the crop fully grown, it's time to bring in the ASA-Lift. Here it is with the ASA-Lift carrot harvester. This machine is engineered to harvest carrots quickly while protecting the integrity of the crop. It begins with a pickup system that gently grabs the carrot tops using rotating belts. Then, a set of rubber-coated rollers grip and lift the carrots vertically out of the soil. As the carrots are pulled up, rotating knives trim off the green tops. It's a precise process, fast enough for commercial needs, but careful enough not to break or bruise the carrots. From there, the carrots are transferred via conveyor belts and dropped into large bins ready for transport. On a large farm, this process continues for hours. A single ASA-Lift machine can harvest up to 5 to 7 tons of carrots per hour depending on field conditions. That's thousands of carrots every few minutes. The operator controls the machine from a cabin, adjusting the speed, depth, and height to match the field's contours. It's a perfect blend of manual oversight and automation. The result? High productivity with minimal waste. Once the carrots are loaded into bins, they're transported to a nearby washing and packing facility. Here, they'll be cleaned, graded by size and quality, and packed for distribution. Some will go straight to grocery stores. Others might be sent for processing into baby carrots, juice, or frozen products. Carrots that don't meet the visual standards? Many are still used for animal feed or composted, ensuring very little goes to waste. The harvesting process is just the beginning of the journey from field to fork. The technology behind machines like the ASA-Lift represents decades of agricultural innovation. Sensors, hydraulics, and precision controls all work together to maximize efficiency while protecting the soil and preserving the crop. It's a great example of how farming is evolving. Not just bigger, but smarter. And there you have it. A full look at how carrots are harvested with modern machinery. From seed to soil to supermarket, every step is part of a carefully choreographed system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at modern farming.